Okay, welcome to Let's Learn Together. Today we'll discuss about Full Campus Drive 2021 of Capgemini. Okay, so let's start. As you know, Capgemini is a global leader in partnering with companies to transform and manage their business by harnessing the power of technology and all. You know that, and it's a MNC. Last date to register is October 15, 2021. So here is the register now button. By clicking this, we will register to the off-campus drive, full campus drive. So test assessment for registered student will be begin from second week of October 2021. After 15th October, registration last date of register, then the assessment for the student will begin. Okay. So here is some eligibility criteria that candidate graduating in 2021 or qualification MCA, BE, BTech and scored 50% above in diploma and graduation should be open to sign service level agreement bond, must be open to relocate any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Candidates should not have more than 1 year gap, academic like 10th plus 2 degree and post graduation should not have more than 1 year gap. 1 year gap is okay, but more than 1 year gap is not mm, should not have more than 1 year gap. Okay, candidates should not have any gap academic milestone. If appeared 12th twice, will be considered provided the both the mark sheet. Candidates should not take more than 4 years to complete BE BTech. Candidates choosing degree after diploma should not have any gaps between diploma and degree. Okay. Then so candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Any shortlisted candidate will be invited for the test assessment selection process. Entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode. Okay. Then candidate will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Okay. So last date register 5th October. Sorry, date of register October 5th, 2021 to October 15th, 2021, and second week of October, test assessment will begin. Then assessment process: step 1 technical assessment, pseudo course, step 2 multiple choice question English, and step 3 game based aptitude, and step 4 behavioral competency profiling, and step 5 technical and HR interview. Only those candidates who have cleared test assessment step 1 to step 3 will be invited for the interview. Step 1 to step 3 you have to complete, then you will invited for interview. Okay. So please note that receiving the work style report doesn't complete the clearance of test assessment. Post graduation in the post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. Okay. So here is the register now button. By clicking on this, we will redirect to the registration page like this only. The connection is a little bit slow, that's why it's late. Okay, it's in superset. Okay. Okay, this page will come, that is in superset Capgemini Accelerate Full Campus Drive 2021 graduates. So application deadline 15th October 2021, 11:29 a.m. CTC 3 lakh per annum. And here is the other that we are discussed that form. Then have to choose apply now. Then here you have to write your email address and click on next button, and then the registration page will come, and then you have to fill the necessary field and then register yourself for the campus drive of Capgemini. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more update on jobs. Okay, thank you.